The effective range of a vehicle is largely determined by the driving style and the driving speed, and it all starts before the trip begins. All ID models can be preconditioned by using the WeConnect ID app or by programming a departure time in the vehicle before the trip begins. This step can be taken during the heat of summer or in the cold of winter. This climatization option helps to significantly extend range when temperatures surge or plummet. The reason is simple. A preconditioned vehicle uses less energy to start the trip because the interior and battery have already reached the desired temperature window. During the trip, data supplied by the navigation system and the Eco Assistant will help you to drive proactively. The Eco Assistant can be activated in the menu Assistant Systems. The vehicle will then scan the route with the help of information generated by its own sensors and geodata and provide prompts to you. Even if Adaptive Cruise Control ACC has not been activated, the Eco Assistant will use predictive navigation data. The Eco Assistant will provide further help to you through active route guidance and activated ACC or Travel Assist. The vehicle can adjust its speed before it enters a curve or intersection so that they are handled as efficiently as possible. Topographical information is also used for optimization purposes. Monitoring current consumption data is another way to continuously check and adapt the driving style for the purpose of extending the vehicle's range.
Volkswagen.